everybody. So, I have to tell you something that's just so weird on Christmas Eve right now. So, when I was in the kitchen just eating breakfast, this weird black screen emergency alert system just popped up saying tornado warning on it. And it's Christmas Eve. It was just like an hour ago. And it's just creepy. I see no tornado. And it actually said tornado warning. I did not record this. It was off camera. But it says but there's no tornado, but it says there is a tornado. So, I swear this is not fake. Oh, here, the TV show's still on. It was on this. I was watching Curious George when I was watching this, and that popped up. So that's why this is really strange. Like I was eating breakfast and this popped up green. It also in the middle of it when it also was it just kept going on for just 2 minutes, and it just put on a static and then a green screen and then back onto the TV show, which is a pretty strange thing. Have you guys ever had that on Christmas Eve? Comment down below. Okay, so yeah. Well, guys, tomorrow's Christmas. So yeah, hopefully this does not pop up again. So, okay guys, here we're gonna go tomorrow. Okay guys, so it's tomorrow again. It's the next day. I'm still in my pajamas. So, yeah. So this weird thing has happened. I know, this thing is really have happened again. What happened yesterday? I was talking to you guys. It happened again, but I was also watching Curious George again, and it happened. Which is there is no tornado. It says it's for only my county. It's strange. Like I see no tornado. And hopefully this does not happen again. Anyways, it's not Christmas yet. Today's Christmas Eve. I thought it was Christmas Eve yesterday. So yeah. Yesterday was my nanny's birthday. And that was in the morning, so it's strange. It said it was not a test. I forgot to tell you guys. Both of the days, it was not a test. My dog's worried because she thinks it's real. But it's not. It's not. She wants someone. So guys, hope you guys like this really horrible mystery EA emergency alert video. So I'm gonna call this a horrifying mystery emergency alert message that came on my TV. So yeah. Hope guys like this video. Bye.